If you've been following me on my journey, I want to say thank you, but I want to share with you where I've been and what I've done so you can do the same thing. I officially started my journey in March of 22, and I wanted to learn how to make money online so I could work from anywhere. And here's an example. I'm on vacation and my job literally came with me. But I do want to let you know, I also have a day job. I work in healthcare. I work 12-hour days. I have a family. My life is very busy. But I said, you know what? I'm going to schedule this. I'm going to do this and figure it out. And I want to be able to learn the skill to make money online so I can work from anywhere and ditch my 9-to-5. So if that sounds like you, I want you to save this video, share this video, and smash that heart button. Follow me so you can learn how to make money online too. My journey started as an affiliate marketer where basically I just marketed other people's products or services and I earned a commission. But I've come a long way since then. I am now a digital marketer where I do have my own digital product and I can share it with others so they can learn the skill to how to make money online too, but I earn 100% of that profit. And you don't have to market the course, you can just learn the skill and apply it to whatever you want. I've recently added Clickly to my business. Now, Clickly is just another stream of income that I can spend 10 minutes a day sending out pre-written emails to my subscriber list. And a lot of people kind of overthink it and think, oh my God, this is really, really confusing. I just want to keep it really, really simple. Just send out emails to your subscriber list because you're, building up your subscribers, and then send them those pre-written emails. There's 2 steps. Don't overthink it. So I spend 10 minutes doing that. But I also took it to the next level and I also do the referral program. And how do I do the referral program? I just come here online just like this and I talk about it and then people are interested. And then when they upgrade, it's $97. I get 100% of that profit. So I wanted to share with you my results. I've been doing Clickly since June 5th and I'm going to turn my phone around to show you where I am today. If you look at the top, I've made $363.40 just from the emails. And then in the center, I've earned $1,144.30 by using the referral program, which gives me a total of $1,507.70. Now, in my opinion, that's great money, just spending 10 minutes a day doing this. So if you are interested in learning how to make money online, number one, I highly recommend you starting with the course and adding this Clickly to your business as an additional stream of income. If you want more information, check out my Stan store.